How to unlink TikTok shop account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to unlink TikTok shop account, then you want to open the TikTok app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are on your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now from here, select settings and privacy. Here on the account section, you will have security and permissions. Tap on that. Now you want to tap on the option of apps and services permissions. Tap on this. If you have linked your TikTok shop account, it's going to appear over here. You want to tap on TikTok shop. Now on the next page, you will have the option of remove access. Go ahead and tap on that. Then a box will appear asking you to confirm. Go ahead and tap on the remove option. After you tap on remove, TikTok shop won't be able to access your TikTok data, and in this way you want to unlink your TikTok shop account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.